with few of my supporters to ask Mr. President that the Minister of Defense is not doing his job. And therefore, we are calling Mr. President's attention to remove him immediately. As I speak to you, I have not less than 69 people who are being held in the hands of the kidnappers in my community. As I speak to you, not less than 4 people were killed in the last 1 week. The kidnappers have been ransacking every community within the Abuja. As I speak to you, I categorically can state that Minister of Defense is corrupt. As I speak to you, I can mention with names how he collect kickbacks. I want to state categorically clear, I've gathered my followers, my supporters, just to be able to call the attention of Mr. President that there is so much corruption under his watch, unknown to him. I want the President to take an action, an immediate action, by removing the Minister of Defense, Badaru, particularly the Minister of Defense has been holding on to so many things. I have evidences where he had meetings with contractors. I have evidences where he has collected kickbacks. I have evidences I can categorically prove with evidences all the shady deals. If he feels I'm lying against him, let him go to court. All the communities surrounding Abuja, the federal capital city, are surrounded by the bandits, kidnappers, and every other insecurity that you can talk about. The budget of defense given to the Minister of Defense is used to receive kickbacks from contractors. I hereby alleged. Anybody who feels I'm lying should go to court. Wike is working, you can see it. If Wike is not working, I would have said it. You as a journalist, can you comfortably accuse Wike of not working in the FCT?